Hey friends, welcome to another video. Today I'm checking out a head-to-head between these two Sweet Crispy office chairs. The one on my left is the home office high backrest reclining desk chair with footrest, big and tall. And this is the big and tall office desk chair with lumbar support. These both hold up to 500 pounds, I believe, and they are legit. So this one, as we can see, premium comfort, just a lot of nice features. So let's check these out. First of all, rolls smoothly, reclines really well here. We can just go back, rocks back there. You can lock it into place. The hand rests, armrests here go up and down, so they're adjustable there. Extra cushion pretty much on everywhere, just super soft. Has this portion here. So this is just for like really, I mean, this is just like first class here. Super comfortable, really nice. Obviously it goes up and down here too with that. That tucks away. Just hard to beat this thing for just comfort. And just as you can see, just really nice chair here. Here we go. Here is the other one, more of a kind of an office chair here. This is like a first class, just kind of kick back. This one so far, these armrests are crazy. They can go in towards you, they can go out, they can go forward, they can go backwards, they can bend in, and they can bend out. So just wherever you're going with these, if you need to put those wherever your keyboard is to make your arms just more comfortable, and then these go up and down with just a push of a button as well. As far as armrests go, I'm going to have to give it to these for functionality and to this for comfort. Now, the seat on this is like a high density foam, super comfortable, just like this one's really comfortable. I'd have to say this one's a little bit more breathable. As you can see, it has the mesh here, so for the back. So also has a little lumbar thing right here. This can go up and down, so that is cool. Both of these feel like they're super sturdy, plenty of just overbuilt. I don't feel like these are going to tip over anything. The base arm's nice and wide, so this one goes up and down too. Obviously, pull this one out a little bit and you can rock back nicely. It doesn't have the head support up here like this one, but also a very comfortable chair. I can't really make a call. As far as like, if you're just gonna go take a nap, this one's pretty hard to beat. But this one, maybe for a little bit more functionality, if you're working at your desk or something, I'm gonna have to choose this one. But I love both these chairs. I mean, don't love them, but you know what I mean. I really like these. If you're going with a chair, you can't really go wrong with either of these beauties. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Hope you have a great day. I'll catch you all next time.